I'll play the tune first. The instrument's tuned to A, E, B. That's A, E, B. So starting backwards, backward, forward on the high pitch side, no fingers. Play the 2 strings, and then on the way back, we're going to drop the second finger touching the middle and the low pitch strings. Back forward, on the way back, we're going to swivel, drop the second finger touching the 2 strings on the low pitch side. Okay. Make sure you play those 2 strings with your bow. And then on the way forward, swivel back over, and we're going to just basically move the second finger exactly on the opposite side. And we're going to touch the opposite 2 strings, middle and the high pitched. The last one, we're going to lift the second, drop the first on the same 2 strings, touching the same 2 strings. If you can jump a little bit, it sounds a bit better. Finishing forward, starting back, finishing forward. And then back, then on the way forward. Back. So on the way forward, we're going to do a slur. So there's 2 notes on one bow movement. Sorry. On forward, that's one bow movement. So it's dropping the first again on the way forward. Okay, so there's a little bit slight difference towards the end. Starting back here. Now here we can also do fourth finger on the high pitched, third finger on the high pitched. That's one bow movement as well. Coming forward, first finger touching the 2 string. And you can also do another slur. That's one bow movement. You don't have to do the slur there. You can also do that instead of doing that. Sorry. It's a bit easier. So if you don't want to do the slur on the other one, you can just do that. So I think that's all there is. It's very repetitive, so that's all there is to it. So I hope that helps the person that asked for it. Please give it a like if you liked it. And I have about 6 or 7 songs requests to do, so I'm gradually going through them. There's quite a few there that I don't know, so they're taking a while for me to learn. Thanks for watching.